I just finished my second live streamed lecture, and this was just as fun as the last one, but it was a bit challenges in the first to get it running. But because YouTube has launched some kind of new streaming platform center in the configuration page that looks a bit different, and it turns out I had to change my stream key in OBS on the fly when I was supposed to start. So that's why it's really important to try the stuff out well in advance, so you know that everything works. I mean, I've been using it for a long time, so that I'm really grateful for that, because I still had the ability to figure out the problem in just 2 minutes and get everything working again. And that's why you should be really careful when you start out with e-learning or live streaming or whatever. Take it one step at a time, because it's so easy to become overwhelmed. I mean, to figure out that there's an error in your stream key when you're going to log into your server, that's probably not the first thing that will cross your mind when you're going to try to get it working. But anyway, it worked. Who cares? And what's also awesome is just in 2 days, I've already received a lot of feedback on the lectures, so I can implement some changes and improve them. The potential is limitless. It's absolutely limitless. Because when I have the whole world that can potentially go in and listen to the lectures, and they can tell me, yeah, this is good, and I wish you do this the next time. As a teacher, it's incalculable how valuable that kind of feedback is, because these people, they're telling me what I should teach. And that is one of the hardest things as a teacher, is to figure out what you're supposed to teach. Because take a structural engineer. I don't work as a structural engineer, so how in the world should I know what they need unless I talk to them? And this way of live streaming lectures on YouTube is the perfect way to just throw it out there. And structural engineers on LinkedIn, they find the lecture, they can watch it, and then they provide me some comments. This is great. Can you do this too? It's the same thing as my vlogging. It's the very same thing. And I also the vlogging has also been a great benefit for me when I've been pushing out a couple of hundred vlogs by now, and I'm really comfortable at talking into the camera as if it were a person. And that's the skill that I need now, and I have put it to very good use since I started my lectures. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a very, very, very nice day and a nice weekend.